If 8 kg of coffee costing 20 naira a kilogram is mixed with 12 kg of another kind of coffee costing 22 naira per kilogram, what is the cost of the mixture per kilogram? Answer: cost of 8 kg of coffee costing 20 naira a kilogram is equals to 8 times 20, which is equals to 160 naira. Cost of 12 kg of coffee costing 22 naira a kobo a kilogram is equals to 12 times 22, which is 264 naira. Total cost of the mixture is equals to 160 plus 264, which is equals to 424 naira. Total weight is equals to 8 plus 12, which is equals to 20 kg. Cost of the mixture per kilogram is equals to 424 over 20, which is equals to 21 naira 20 kobo. Question 7. Kofi invests 400 naira in a saving bank which pays interest at the rate of 2% per half year. The interest is added to the principal at the end of half year and kept in the bank so that the interest is calculated on the new total. How much did he have at the end of the 2 years? Give your answer to the nearest naira. Answer: interest on the first half year is equals to 400 times 2 over 100, which is equals to 8 naira. The new principal is equals to 400 plus 8, which is equals to 408 naira. Interest on the second half year is equals to 408 times 2 over 100, which is same thing as 4.08 times 2, which is equals to 8 naira 16 kobo. Amount at the end of the second half is equals to 408 naira plus 8 naira 16 kobo, which is equals to 416 naira 16 kobo. Interest on the third half, which is equals to 416 naira 16 kobo times 2 all over 100, which is the same thing as 4 naira 161 kobo times 2, which is still the same thing as 8 naira 32 kobo. Amount at the end of third half is equal to 416 naira 16 kobo plus 8 naira 32 kobo, which gives us 424 naira 48 kobo. Interest on the fourth half is now equal to 424 naira 48 kobo times 2 over 100%, will give us, which is the same thing as 4 naira 2448 kobo times 2, which give us in naira 8 naira 4,896 kobo, which is the same thing as 8 naira 49 kobo. Amount at the end of fourth half is equals to 424 naira 48 kobo plus 8 naira 49 kobo, which is 432 naira 97 kobo. He had 432 naira and 97 naira. Question 8. A. From A to B, a road goes 28 km uphill and from B to C, 48 km downhill. If a man cycled at an average speed of 20 km per hour uphill and an average speed of 50 km per hour downhill, how long will it take him to cycle from A to C through B and back the same way to A, give your answer to the nearest minute. B. The average weight of 29 boys in a class is 40 kilograms. A new boy weighing 55 kilograms joined the class. Find the new average weight of the class. Answer. Time is equals to distance over speed. Time taken to move from A to B is equals to 26 over 20 hours. Time taken to move from B to C is 48 over 50 hours. Distance from C to B is equals to 48 kilometers. Speed up here is equals to 20 kilometers per hour. Time from C to B is now equals to 48 over distance over speed, which is time. Our speed from B to A down here is equals to 50 kilometers per hour. Time from B to A is equals to 26 over 50 hours. Total time is equals to 26 over 20 plus 48 over 50 plus 48 over 20 plus 26 over 50. The RCM is 100. We now have 130 plus 96 plus 240 plus 52 all over 100, which is equal to 581. 518 over 100, which we now have 5.18 hours or 5 hours 11 minutes. So this is the diagram. A from A to B is 26 kilometers. From B to C is 48 kilometers. B, weight of the boy, of the 29 boy is 29 times 40, which is 1,160 kilograms. Weight of the new boy is 55 kilograms. Total weight of 30 boys is equals to 1,160 plus 55, which is equals to 1,215 kilograms. The new average weight is equals to 1,215 over 30, which is 40.5 kilograms. Question 9. The cost of a man's holiday in 1974 was made up of 65% hotel bills, 20% traveling expenses, and 15% incrementals. In 1975, the hotel bills has gone up to 40% and traveling expenses has gone up to 60%. He reduced his incidentals by 10% and thereby making savings of 30 naira. On the incidental, by how much did the cost of his holiday in 1975 exceed that of 1974? Answer. His savings on credentials in 1975 is equals to 30 naira. Let the cost of the man's holiday in 1974 be 100 naira. Incidentals in 1974 is equals to 15%, which is equals to 15 naira. 10% reduction on incidentals is equals to 10 times 15 all over 100, which is equals to 1 naira 5 kobo. Savings on incidental in 1975 is equals to 30 naira. If the savings is 1 naira 50 kobo, the total expenses in 1974 is equals to 100. If the savings is 30 naira, the total expenses in 1974 will now be equals to 30 times 100 all over 1.5. Total expenses in 1974 is equals to 30 times 100 all over 1.4, which is equals to 30 times 100 times 10 all over 1.5, which will give us 2,000 naira. In 1974, hotel bill